beauties, and welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time here, welcome. My name is Nereida and I love sharing everyday hair tutorials plus a little bit of hair tips. So make sure to hit the subscribe button and turn on your post notifications so you never miss a new video. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to get this diagonal Dutch braid into a low bun. So let's go ahead and get started. You want to start off by sectioning off a small section of hair from the left side of your head and then dividing that into 3 strands. You want to take the right strand and cross it under the middle, and then take the left strand and cross it under the middle. Now you're going to add in some more hair into that right strand and cross it underneath the middle. Now you're going to add in some hair into that left strand and cross it underneath the middle. And once again, you're going to add in a section of hair to your right strand and cross it underneath the middle. Add in a section of hair to the left strand and cross it underneath the middle. One more time, you're going to add in a section of hair into that right strand and cross it underneath the middle. And then you're going to add in a section of hair to the left strand and cross it underneath the middle. You're going to continue the same pattern all the way down until you reach the nape of your neck. Now you're just going to start fluffing out the edges of the braid to give it more dimension and add a little bit of texture. Now you're going to secure your hair at the nape of your neck, and on the last loop you're going to pull the hair only halfway through. Take the tail and wrap it over the bun and tuck it back underneath. Go ahead and pull out the bun a little bit to give it a more lived-in look, and you're all done. And that is it for today's video. I hope you all enjoyed. Make sure to give me a thumbs up to let me know that you enjoyed this video, or a thumbs down if you didn't. Also, follow me on my social media, on my Instagram and my TikTok. I will link them down below. And let me know in the comments section down below what else you would like to see for next time's video. Bye!